Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 1 cumulative assessment training. Basically, this is the first chapter of Excel section of newly introduced course Exp22. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments, you can have me for your complete course. My WhatsApp and email is given in the description of this video. My WhatsApp and email is also showing at the bottom of the screen as well. You can have me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, all other programming assignments, statistics, mathematics, etc. So I have been doing courses for students since 2015 and you can hire me to do your complete courses. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this video. So title of the assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment. This is the first chapter in newly introduced course Excel 2022. At start of the assignment instruction, you can see the project description. So please read this project description to get an idea about the assignment. So this project description has nothing to do with the assignment, but you have to read it so that you can understand the assignment. So I will directly move to step number A of the assignment because main part of the assignment is starting from step 1. Total steps in this assignment are 26. So we are supposed to solve these 26 steps to get this assignment done. So step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Training. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So we are supposed to download this Excel workbook where we are supposed to apply all these instructions to get this assignment done. So I have already downloaded this file and you can download this from your My IT Lab dashboard, in Pearson dashboard. And this is the file where we will apply all those instruction steps to get this assignment done. So step number 1 is just about downloading the Excel workbook. So we will move to step number 2 now. So step number 2 is your organization provides a discount to educators. However, the worksheet contains wording that needs to be changed to the education. Use find and replace to find teacher and replace it with the education. So basically we are supposed to replace the word teacher with the education. And for this we will use the find and replace. So simply go to the Excel workbook, click on this home tab and you can see in editing find and select. So select replace from here. So we are supposed to find what? Find teacher and replace with education. So we will type teacher here, it will find teacher and it will replace this with education. And you can see that all done, we made 3 replacement. So we are done with find and replace that is required in step number 2. The worksheet contains spelling error needs to be corrected. Check the spelling of the worksheet and correct the errors. Now we are supposed to correct the spelling errors in the worksheet. So we can simply do this by going to the review tab and we will use the spelling tab and we will check the spelling of the worksheet. So simply click on this review tab and click on the spelling. Yes. Forecasting, change it. Analytics, change it. And spell check complete. You are good to go. So we have checked the spelling for the worksheet and we have corrected the errors in the worksheet. So that is all about step number 3. So next step is step number 4. You cancelled the charting basic workshop because only one person registered for it. Delete the row containing the charting basic workshop. So we are supposed to delete the row containing the charting basic workshop. So this is row 8 that has the charting basic workshop and we are supposed to delete this row. So right click on it and click delete. And we have deleted the row that has the charting basic workshop. So that is all about step number 4. So next step is step number 5. The Excel Analytics and Forecasting training course filled and you opened another course. Insert a new row between the Big Data Foundation and Data Mining rows. So this is the Big Data Foundation row and this is the Data Mining row. And we are supposed to insert a row between these two. Copy the row 5 and paste it on the empty row. Change the dates to June 7, 2024 in the range C7, D7. Enter 11 in cell G7 and 10 in cell H7. So basically we are supposed to insert a new row between that big foundation and data mining. So this is data mining and this is big data foundation and we are supposed to insert a new row. So you can see that I have inserted a new row between the big data foundation and data mining's data. Now copy row 5 and paste it on the empty row. So here is row 5. We are supposed to copy this and we are supposed to paste this on the empty row between the big data foundation and data mining rows. So paste, we have pasted it. Now change the dates to June 7, 2024 in range C7 and D7. So this is C7. We are supposed to make it June 7. So I will simply change this 3 to 7. Also in D7. So this is D7, make it June 7. So we have changed the dates in C7 and D7. Now we are supposed to enter 11 in cell G7. G7 is here. We are supposed to type 11 here and 10 in H7. So this is H7. We are supposed to type 10 here. So that is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment so far. Now I will move to next step, that is step number 6. Assigning a code to each workshop provides a reference number. You will use 06 to indicate the 6th month and 001 for the first workshop. Type 06-001 in cell A5. Use autofill to complete the range A6 up to A10. So basically we are supposed to type 06-001 in cell A5. This one. Then we are supposed to use the autofill to complete this series. And we are assigning a code to each workshop. So type this 06-001. Now we will use the autofill option to complete this series. And you can see that we have assigned a code to each of the workshop. So that is all about step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps so far, and now I will move to next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is, instead of displaying dates such as 6/3/24, you want to display dates as 6/3/2024. Mean we want to show the complete year in the dates. Format the dates in the range C5 up to D10 with the short date format. That is tarik 3/14/2012. So we are supposed to format the dates as the short date. We will simply select this range, and you can see that we have selected the dates column, that is column C and D, and we are supposed to format this as a short date, and that is tarik 3/14/2012, and you can see that this one. So I will select this one and click OK, and you can see that now it is showing the complete years 2024. So that is all about step number 7. So we will move to next step now. And next step is step number 8. The worksheet contains column for the start and end dates. It would be helpful to insert a column to display the number of days for each workshop. Insert a column to the right of the end date column. End date column is here, and we are supposed to insert a column to the right of this end date column that will show the number of days in cell E4. So we will simply add a new column to this worksheet. So simply click this one and click insert, and you can see that I have added a new column to the right of end date, and we will type number of days in cell E4. In cell E4. So that is all required in step number 8. So we have completed 8 steps of this assignment, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 9. Step number 9 is row 3 contains number of attendees and gross revenue main headings. Centering these headings over these respective subheadings will help clarify the details. Merge and center the cells H3 and I3. Merge and center the range J3 and L3. So first we are supposed to merge and center the cells H3 and I3. So this is H3 and this is I3. We will select these two cells and then go to the home tab and then the alignment tab and select merge and center. So we have merged and centered the cell H3 and I3. Next we are supposed to merge and center J3, K3 and L3. So we will select J3, K3 and L3 and again merge and center the cells. So we have merged and centered the cell J3, K3 and L3. So this is all required in step number 9. So I have completed 9 steps of this assignment so far, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 10. Total steps in this assignment are 26. Applying a cell style will improve the appearance of the heading on row 4 In addition, wrapping and centering the text in the heading cells will further improve the appearance of the worksheet. For the range A4 up to L4, apply the good cell style, wrap the text and center the text horizontally. So first I will select this range, and now we are supposed to apply the good cell style. So go to the home tab and cell style and look for the good. This is the good cell style. Now wrap the text and center horizontally. So now I will simply click on this wrap text and center horizontally. So you can see that we have applied good cell style to this range, then we have wrapped the text, and then we have centered the text horizontally. So that is all about step number 10. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 11. You are ready to calculate the number of days for the workshops. In cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the number of days for the first workshop. So now in E5, we are going to calculate the number of days for the first workshop, that is the Excel, Analytics and Forecasting. Add 1 to the result to include the total number of the days. So we will add 1 to the result, including the start and end dates. The result may display in the date format. Copy the formula to the range E6 up to E10. So now we are going to calculate the number of the days, and the number of days we can calculate by so we will simply put an equal sign and we will subtract start date from the end date. So end date is D5 and start date is C5. We will get the number of days. Now we are supposed to add 1 to this result. So we got the number of days for the first workshop, and now we are supposed to copy this formula to E6 up to E10. So simply copy this one to E6 up to E10, and we will get the number of days for the other workshops. So that is all required in step number 11. So next step to do is step number 12. The number of days result show dates rather than the values. Applying the number format will solve the issue. Apply number format with 0 decimal places and center the result horizontally in the range E10 up to E5 up to E10. So now we are supposed to apply the number format with 0 decimal places and we will center these results. So I will select the range that is E5 up to E10, and we are supposed to apply the number format with 0 decimal places. So we got the result for this one. So we have solved step number 12. So basically I have solved 12 complete steps in this assignment. I have done each and everything in these 12 steps, and total steps are 25. Now for the remaining steps, I will just give you an overview so that you can complete this assignment on your own. I am going to show you the final version for this assignment, but if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can ask me to do this. My WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Now let me show you the final version for this assignment. So this is the final version for this assignment. When you will apply the remaining steps, then you will get a final version like this. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, my WhatsApp and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can have me for your complete course, including Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or Access assignments. You can have me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, programming assignments, statistics, and mathematics, etc. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. If you have any question, please leave a message. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.